In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Salesforce in dark mode. If you spend long hours in Salesforce, dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes and help reduce glare, especially in low light environments. In just a few clicks, you can enable it from within the Lightning experience. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. Start by opening Salesforce in your browser and make sure you're in the Lightning experience interface. You'll know you're in Lightning if you see the modern tile-based navigation and the gear icon near the top right. If you're not seeing that gear, double check that you're not in the classic interface. Dark mode lives in the Lightning related options. Next, click the gear icon in the top right and choose Settings. This opens your personal settings area, which is where most user level appearance and preference controls are managed. Don't worry if your menu wording varies slightly. Salesforce can look a bit different depending on your permissions and updates. From there, look for the option labeled Open Advanced Setup and select it. This takes you into the broader setup area where you'll see the familiar left-hand sidebar with a search field at the top, often called Quick Find. It's the fastest way to jump directly to the feature you need. In the Quick Find box, type Lightning. As you type, the list below will filter to show Lightning-related options. This narrows things down so you don't have to browse through long menus. In the filtered results, click Lightning Extension. This section brings together user-facing enhancements tied to the Lightning experience, including the setting we're after. On the Lightning extension page, locate the dark mode option. You'll see a control for it, typically presented as a toggle. This is the switch that activates the darker color scheme across the interface. Finally, toggle dark mode to enable it. Within a moment, your Salesforce UI should shift to a dark background with lighter text. If you don't see the change right away, try navigating to another page or refreshing your current view. Keep in mind that some pages or third-party components may render slightly differently in dark mode. If any content looks low contrast, zooming in a notch or adjusting your monitor brightness can help. And if you ever want to switch back, simply return to the same dark mode toggle and turn it off. That's all there is to it. You've enabled dark mode in Salesforce, making your workspace more comfortable and focused. Thanks for watching and enjoy working in the new theme.